Okay. Are you ready, Sonia? Okay, Sonia. Sonia, you hear me? Okay, start. Start. Start studying.
See.
I review for you first. Yesterday you study already? Today I review some word for you, okay? ทบทวน โอเค I ทบทวน ผมทบทวนนะโซเนียฟังนะโซเนียฟังนะทบทวน Yeah. กอ you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
กอ จ้อง ดอก ตอบ บ่อย ขอ สอง สอน ห้อง หอย คอ คลอง ยอด มอม สอย you ส่วนนี้อ่านได้ไหม
Okay, I'll try that.
start กอ
กอ จ้อง ดอก ตอบ บ่อย ขอ สอง สอน ห้อง หวย คอ คลอง ยอด มอม ซอย
Okay, very good. Any word you not remember?
Why remember it, John?
Meaning?
Meaning remember.
Okay, very good. Now we move to next topic.
Yes. See.
อ่านได้ไหมส่วนนี้อ่านได้ไหม
อ่านค่ะ
โอเคอ่าน
See. พวกอ่าน
Yeah.
คำที่สะกดด้วยน้อหนู
Yes.
แม่
กง
แม่กง
mean we talk about the word when we see งองู come at the end. Okay. 4. ฝึกอ่านคำที่สะกดด้วยงองูแม่กง Okay? That mean every word งองู come at the end. Okay? Every word you see? Yeah, okay. The first word อ่านส่วนนี้อ่าน
บึ้ง
No, บัง Bang mean conceal. Hide from the sea, hide from the view. Hide. You when you were a girl, you play hide and seek. You play before? When I bought a little boy, I play the game. That game we say hide and seek. Bang mean hide. Hide or conceal or hide from view. Okay? Conceal. Okay, bang.
Yes,
Conceal, yeah, bang.
Yes.
If I conceal, you can see or not can see?
Cannot see.
Oh, yeah, bang. Okay, bang, conceal. Yeah, conceal, bang. Hide. Okay, good. Oh, thank you. You can listen. Okay, next. ขัง
ขัง ขัง
Khang, yes. Khang is a, prisoner? You know
in
prisoner?
the jail
Huh?
in the jail
Yeah, put in the jail. Put in the jail, we say khang. Or sometimes you put some bird in the case. We say khang. If I say khang, you have freedom or no freedom? You have freedom or no freedom?
right now freedom
No freedom. Khang mean put in the jail or
okay
imprison.
yes
Imprison or put in the jail, yeah, or put in the case for bird, okay. Khẳng,
yes
khẳng,
ขัง
yes. Next,
ขัง
yeah.
เอ่อร้ง
No, rang,
รังรัง
rang, rang is we talk about nest, nest, bird nest. Bird's nest. you know behind, behind for bee.
yes yes
Bee insect, bee, they make the home, they make the house, for their life, for living, we say behind, okay. rang
Hmm.
mean rang mean nest for bird, like that, okay. How
Hmm.
for bee, we say behind. For bird, we say bird nest, yeah, we say rang,
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm.
And sometimes we talk about human house. Human house,
Hmm.
small and dirty.
Hmm.
Small and dirty.
Hmm.
uh, Small and dirty human house,
Hmm.
we say rang. It's like bird house, very small.
Hmm.
We say rang, but meaning here is a bird nest or behind, okay.
Hmm.
Rang. Next.
Rang.
Next.
แต้ง
Okay, I like, I do some picture. I draw at least I draw, what color you want? Okay, this color. Okay, next. Tang.
แต้ง
Tang, what's it mean? Tang.
แต้ง
Tang. Melon, melon? Tang, melon,
แต้งไทยเมลอน
huh?
ไทยเมลอน
Yeah, tang Thai, the Thai melon. It could be cucumber. It could be watermelon. It could be Thai melon. Yeah, many kind of melon in Thai. Okay,
every kind of melon in Thai is called แต้ง
tang is original, but now many kind of melon. Tangmo, tangmo.
watermelon
Watermelon, tangmo, and some we say cucumber. Cucumber. Common guy. They put some cucumber. We say chicken on rice. Chicken on rice. We say common
yes
guy. Common guy. They put some
yes
cucumber. Yeah. Tang.
อืม
Tang qua. Tang Thai.
แต้ง
Tangmo. Okay. Tang. Melon. Okay. Next.
อืมแสง
Seng.
แสง
Long sound. Seng. Tang. Seng. Seng is a light. The light. Traffic light.
อืม
Electric light.
อืม
Seng. Seng is the light.
electric light
Electric light. Traffic light. You turn off the light. Yeah, Seng mean the light. Okay. Traffic light. Electric light. Okay. Good. Seng. Next.
แสง
Next.
แท่ง
Tang, not tang.
แท่ง
Tang. Your tone, very important tone. Yeah. Tang. You say tang. Tang is a, stab. Stab. Stab or jab. You know jab. Example, I have
Or
knife. I can cut your finger or I can stab. I
mm,
can stab you. I can jab you. You go or you
yes,
not go. You die or not die.
I
Thank.
die.
Why you die?
If you stab me
Huh?
with knife,
Huh?
if you stab me with knife, I die.
We say stab.
Yes, Ajahn.
Stab or jab. Jab or stab. I use the knife and I kill you. I stab. I stab. I jab. Yeah, I jab or I stab. I use the knife. Okay. You
Yes.
cannot survive. You die. Okay. Tang. Stab or jab. Okay. Jab or stab. Tang. Okay. Next.
Jung.
Chuông. Not Jung. Chuông. Long sao
Jung.
chuông. You know leader? You know leader?
Yes, Ajahn.
Leader. Thai leader. Prime Minister. Chung chung mean lead. Lead. Lead is a verb. Chung. Okay. Chung. Chung. Okay. Chung mean
Yes.
lead. Sometimes
Lead.
chung mean take. Example. In the morning you take. You take dog walk. How we say? How we say? In the morning, what people do?
You lead the dog.
You lead the
Like
dog. What we say? A dog
dog
walk.
walk.
Take
Yes.
dog walk. Yes, take dog
Yeah.
walk. Yeah, that
Hmm.
chung. Chung is it could be lead or it could be take. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, chung. Okay. You go
Hmm.
first and someone follow you. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, we say chung lead or take. Okay, chung. Chuông.
Hmm.
Chuông mã. Take the dog. In the morning.
Hmm.
Chuông
Hmm.
khoai. Take the
Hmm.
buffalo. Yeah. You go first
Hmm.
and buffalo walk behind you. Yeah. Chuông. Long sound. Chuông.
Hmm.
Chuông.
Hmm.
Chuông. Okay, next.
Jung.
Yes.
Okay. Phung.
Phúng.
Phung.
Phúng.
Phung.
Phúng.
Phung.
Yes. Phúng means group. Group, Group or group of buffalo. It's a
Hmm.
herd. It's a herd. It's a herd of buffalo. Herd of
Hmm.
cow. It's a group.
Hmm.
Not
Hmm.
only one, not single, but it's a group. Group.
Hmm.
Okay, herd. Talk about animal herd. Buffalo
Hmm.
herd.
Hmm.
The herd of buffalo. The herd of cow. Like that. Okay. Phúng is a group. Phúng. Phúng. Okay, next.
Phung.
Yeah. Next.
Yung.
Dung.
Yung.
Long sao? Dung.
Do yak.
Yo yak. Dung.
Yung.
Dung, the name of animal. Dung. We say, peacock. Big, big,
Hmm.
big. It's like big chicken, big bird, big, beautiful. Dung is, peacock.
Yes, Ajahn.
Peacock. Peacock. You have
Yes.
peacock in Pakistan.
Yes, Ajahn.
Peacock. Yeah. Dung. Dung. The name of animal.
Yung.
Dung. It's
Yes.
like chicken. Yeah. It's like bird but bigger. Yeah, bigger. Peacock. Okay. Dung. Okay. Next. What is?
Hmm.
Next.
Do.
No.
Dong.
Duang.
Duang.
Yes. Duang. Duang. You say duang. Duang.
Duang.
Duang. Duang. We talk about
Duang.
something. Circle. We talk about something. Uh, it's like this. It's like this. CD. This compact this something is a circle we say ดวง you can talk about circle can talk about something they circle they are circle okay ดวง
round in shape
sometimes we talk about you know bulb is the light bulb you know light bulb you turn on the light sometimes you have some problem with your light bulb yeah ดวง okay ดวง is a how we say spear we can say spear we can say orb we can say circle we say ดวง okay ดวง sometimes is a you know luck if you have good luck you have ดวงดี if you have bad luck ดวงจู mean you have bad luck okay another meaning but here we talk about something circle okay ดวง long sound ดวง okay next หวง you know some lady envy another lady they say หวง you say หวงjealous but sometimes you know grudge be grudge you know grudge mean envy G R U D G E grudge you know envy I think envy you know huh envy jealous yeah we can say grudge you are grudge you be grudge or you are envy you envy or you are jealous yeah หวง yes หวง okay next พวง yeah tone important tone พวง mean you know branch of grape branch of string is cluster you know grape the name of fruit you know grape พวง you know grape G how we say G R A V E grape the name of fruit grape yes พวง mean
grape
yeah the name of fruit พวง they don't come alone but they come together many that we say branch B U N C H we can say branch of flower
yes
branch of grape yeah พวง bunch yes bunch yeah bunch is a group yeah they come in group yeah next
wait
what
เตียง
not เตียง เตียง you know เตียง if you want to sleep where you go
bedroom
you go to the bed เตียง mean bed but for me no bed I don't like to sleep in the bed yeah bed B E D bed เตียง okay เตียง is a bed yeah go to bed go to sleep yeah bed เตียง next
เชียง
no เฉียง you know straight you go straight Chiang mean not straight. Straight directly, but Chiang mean not straight. You know? You understand? Chiang. You know SQ. You know SQ? ASKEW. SQ. You know SQ? ASKEW. SQ. SQ. Meaning not straight. Not straight. You know scribble. 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 Scribble.
Not in a straight position, acha.
Yeah. Not straight position. Yes. Okay, good. Next.
Kiang.
Kiang mean near. You know near. You know closely. You know closely. Not far. Is near. Is closely. We say kiang.
Okay.
Adjournment not far is near or closely. Okay. Kiang. Next.
Pliang.
No. Pương.สระเอื้อเปลือง mean waste of time. You know waste of time. You need to save your time. It's waste of time. Waiting. You know waiting. เปลือง You spend money. You lose your money. เปลือง mean waste. 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 It's waste your time. Okay? เปลือง Example เปลืองเวลา waste your time. Waste of your time. Okay? เปลืองเงิน spend your time. You need to save your time. Opposite. เปลือง is the opposite save. Okay? เปลือง waste. Waste time. Waste of time. Okay? เปลือง next. Yeah, I think this you know. Color. เหลือง
is yellow color.
Yellow color. Easy. Yellow. เหลือง You pronounce หอหีบ and ลอลิง together. You put together. Yeah. We say เหลือง Yeah. You put หอหีบ and ลอลิง together. We say เหลือง color. Yellow color. Next. Last one. เมือง city. Bangkok city เมืองกรุงเทพ เมืองนครพนม city. You know city?
Yes, sir.
Islamabad city, Karachi city, yeah. Bangkok city, Chiang Mai city. Yeah. เมือง mean city. Okay, city. เมือง My last name เมืองสุวรรณ เมือง is city. สุวรรณ mean gold. Is golden city. Okay? The city full of gold. That we say เมืองสุวรรณ my last name. Okay, I read for you after you show me how much you understand, how much you remember, how much you can pronounce. Okay?
Yes, sir.
บัง ขัง รัง แตง แสง แทง จูง จอจานจูฝูง
ฝูง
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 ยุง
ยุง
ยุง sorry ยุง ยุง yeah ยุง
ยุง
yes ดวง
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 หวง
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 พวง
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 เตียง
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 เฉียง เฉียง เคียง
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 เปลือง
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 เหลือง
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 เมือง
เมือง
Okay I read only you don't read after me no repeat okay no repeat I read only ผมอ่านสุเนียฟังอย่างเดียวฟังอย่างเดียวไม่อ่านตามไม่อ่านตามโอเค listen only ฟังอย่างเดียวบังขังรังแตงแสงแทงจูงฝูงยุงดวงหวงพวงเตียงเฉียงเคียงเปลืองเหลืองเมือง Are you ready to pronounce to read
Yes อาจารย์
Okay you start try
บัง ขังรัง
รัง
รังแตงแสง
แสง
แสงแทง
แทง
แทง
important the tone very important
ยุง
จูง
ยุงฝูง
ฝูง
ฝูง
yes
ยุง
ยุงยุง
ยุง
yes
ดวง
ดวง
ดวงหวง
หวง
หวง
yes
พวง
พวง
พวงเตียง
yeah
เทียง
เฉียง
เถียง
yes
เคียง
เคียง
เคียงเปลี่ยง
เปลือง
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 yes
เหลียง
เหลือง
เหลือง
yes
เมือง
เมือง very good very good yes very good oh very good I hope when we finish the class you go back to review because I record video all the time
Yes,
about 10 minutes I upload to YouTube you can go to follow from my Facebook and from the line okay line program line okay
Yes อาจารย์
but about 10 minutes I upload to YouTube review if you want to be expert at Thai language or good at Thai language you need to study hard okay learn hard okay nothing free you need to work hard okay
Yes อาจารย์
okay thank you for learning today see you tomorrow
Yes อาจารย์
don't forget to go back to review okay
Yes อาจารย์
okay see you I stop recording now